So what's up, guys? It's me again, and we're back with another problem in our hand. So we have here. Uh, so here we have a problem. Write a class called investment with fields called principal and interest. The constructor should set the values of those fields. There should be a method called value after that returns the value of the investment after n years. So the formula for this is P 1 plus IN, where P is the principal and I is the interest rate. It should also use the special method string so that printing the object will result in something like we can see below. So have your principal dash the value and the interest and its value. So our output should be like that. So let's try. Okay. So here we have as they said, we have the our OOP. So we have the class called investment, right? Then we should define it or we should construct our class. So we have here the principal, interest rate, and number of years. So in there, we can see that this part of the program where we are distinguishing the variables that we enlist in our class or what we call class variables. So here for the self uh, uh, principal, the self refers to the distinguishing factor of our fields or our variables in our class. So in there we have principal is equal to principal, then self-interest is rate is equal to interest rate, and years is equal to years. So here we have here the uh, interest rate, the interest. So in there we say it is said that returns the value of the investment after n years. So this formula is for the principal, right, and the interest rate. So here we have the formula of P, which is times 1 plus interest raised to the number of years. So we have here principal multiplied by 1 plus interest rate uh, raised to the number of years. So that is our interest, or maybe we can say value after or interest. Value after or interest. Okay, so let's just put value after so there's no confusion. Value after. So in there we have the value after. Then let's put value of interest or x or value after. So let's see. So in the last part, it said to the we're gonna use a special method of string, right? So that our printing would result like this one. So let's see if it would result to that one. So we have here print principal there in uh, in the principal, then the principal uh, the principal of our then the interest rate and the value of our interest rate, then the number of years and uh, the value of number of years and the interest or our value after. So let's have here the values of our investment or the values of our variables in the class. So let's try 1000, interest rate of 2, I guess, and number of years is 5. So let's run the program. So as you can see, we have here the 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 output of principal and the value of principal, ne- the value of interest rate, the the number of years in our in the number of years in our class, and the interest or the value after of this in 5 years. So That is for the problem number one. So let's proceed to problem number three. All right, a program that asks the user to enter a word and prints out whether that word contains any vowel. So here we have the program for that part. So this program will identify if there is a vowel in the word and will print it out. Okay, so we have here the definition of our vowel class or of the parameter, and it stands as v. So for I, I just put a variable I for we can call input text. So stands for input text. Wherein for I and v, wherein that for if I in the values a e, o, whether it is big or small, then it's gonna be returned true, or the value gonna be true. Else, if there is none, it's gonna return the value of false. So if we put here V stands for input, the word, right? So we got there the V, right? Then if vowels uh, in V is equal to true, then we have here the values that there is a vowel in it. So it will print your word has a vowel in it. Else, it's gonna print the text your word does not contain a vowel. So let's try this. So let's try to run our program. So let's try with the word Pete. Run. Your word has a vowel in it. Again, let's try the word hmm. Your word does not contain a vowel. Then let's try again. Mamacita. Your word has a vowel in it. So that's it, guys. Then we can say we wrote the correct program. Uh, that is asked uh, in our problem. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.